Diving into video making felt like stepping into a vast, uncharted world. Like a mariner without a map, I embarked on this journey with no prior experience in videography. The challenges were many, yet the thrill of learning was exhilarating. Experimenting with different video styles and topics, I strove to gain a comprehensive understanding of this new realm. My real-life travels for work sparked an interest in this field, and there was no looking back. Soon I stumbled upon a new ally in my journey: artificial intelligence. Imagine AI as a diligent assistant, tirelessly stitching together clips, perfecting transitions, and even suggesting edits. It's like having a master chef in your kitchen, prepping ingredients, but you're still the one adding the final seasoning, the personal flair. I've experimented with AI, creating content that ranges from heavily edited masterpieces to lightly touched-up snippets. The distinction is stark, like comparing a meticulously crafted oil painting to a spontaneous sketch. The AI revolution in video making is here, no doubt, but it's not an usurper, it's an aid, a collaborator. AI is a tool, a revolutionary one, but it still needs the human touch to create real magic. The journey so far has been exhilarating, and the road ahead seems even more promising. As I've delved into the world of video making, artificial intelligence has been a steadfast companion, aiding me in creating content that resonates. From videos made entirely from scratch to those heavily or lightly edited with AI, it's been a fascinating experiment, to say the least. In the future, I plan to keep pushing boundaries and exploring different niches in software. There's a world of potential out there in this ever-evolving field, and I'm ready to continue learning and evolving alongside it. After all, it's not just about the tools we use, but how we use them. Together with AI, I'm excited to continue this journey, creating, learning, and growing in the world of video making. Your support and feedback are what fuel this journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of my exploration in the world of video making, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to WithIt-Tubes for a variety of content, ranging from AI-assisted video making tutorials to deep dives into different niches and software. Your engagement helps me grow, learn, and create better content for you. Stay tuned for more videos from WithIt-Tubes. Don't forget to subscribe.